Okay, there are two fresh scams going absolutely wild in Australia right now, and I want to make sure you and everyone you know sees this before it's too late. The first one is fake Medicare and MyGov text. Phones all across Australia are being hit right now with messages claiming that your Medicare card needs to be renewed by clicking a link. It looks completely official. It even says MyGov Customer Service Centre, but it's not. What the scammer is actually after is your full name, your date of birth, your Medicare number, and your banking details. And once they have that, they can steal your identity, open credit cards in your name, access your bank account, and claim government benefits under your identity. Now, this is not just about money. It will affect your credit report, which can take years to clean up and prevents your ability to get credit or a mortgage later on. Now, here's how to spot it every single time. Number one, the link is not a .gov website. Look closely before you touch anything. Number two, it creates urgency with words like renew now or your card will be suspended. Number three, it asks you to reply with a yes or copy and paste link into Safari. Now, the real government never does this, ever. Services Australia has officially confirmed that they will never ask you to click a link in a text to update your Medicare details. Now, number two is fake investment scams running as paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok right now. Scammers are using AI deepfake videos of well-known Australian financial personalities to make fake investment platforms look completely legitimate. But it goes even further than that. They are also impersonating real Australian brokerages and financial institutions, copying their websites, their branding, their messaging, and their offers down to the finest detail. So when you land on the page, it will look exactly like the real company. Same logo, same layout, same language. Now, the only way to know it is fake is to check directly with the institution itself, never through a link someone sent you. This one I know very, very well, as I had someone very close to me get scammed this way, and it cost them a substantial amount of money, which was unable to be recovered. So for this one, what is the scammer actually after? Well, they're after your money, your superannuation, your personal banking details. They give you small, fake returns first to convince you to invest more. By the time you realize what has happened, your money is gone and recovery is nearly impossible. Investment scams remain the single biggest cause of financial loss in Australia right now. And here's how to spot it. Number one, it came to you through a social media ad or unsolicited message out of nowhere. Number two, it promises unusually high or guaranteed returns with little to no risk. Number three, it pressures you to act fast or keep it secret from your family. And number four, the platform is not registered on ASIC's Money Smart website at Money Smart. So always check there before you invest a single dollar. And if you see one of these fake investment ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, do not just scroll past. Tap the three dots on the ad, hit report, and select it as a scam or misleading. The more Aussies who report the same ad, the faster the platform removes it and protects someone else from losing their money. Now, both of these scams have one thing in common. They are designed to look completely real. That's the whole point. So please slow down, check the URL, verify it independently, and never act on urgency, because that urgency is the trap. Now, if you have received either of these scams this week, you can report it directly to the Scam Watch or the Australian Federal Police Cybercrime website. Alternatively, I've made it easier for everyone where I've created a function through my website at scamai.com.au where you can report any scam. And the best part is you do not need to provide any personal details at all. You just tell us the nature of the scam, what it looks like, and how it reached you. That is it. Then every report will get compiled and submitted to the relevant Australian authorities each week, including the major banks, ACMA, which basically is a body to get scam numbers blocked by Australian carriers, and also through the Australian Federal Police through Report Cyber. Your report will actually do something real and will protect other Aussies from going through the same thing. And you can also use my free AI scam detection bot to check any suspicious message, link, or offer before you click or respond. Takes seconds and could save you thousands of dollars, and it's free. Link is in my bio. Share this with someone who needs to see it and stay sharp out there. Until next time.